Welcome to your dream farmstead, a rare 95-acre property in the heart of Tuscarawas County, Ohio, where timeless charm meets modern country living. Originally built in 1890 and beautifully renovated in 2004, this three-bedroom farmhouse offers over 2,700 square feet of inviting space, filled with warmth, character, and craftsmanship. Step inside and you'll find a great room wrapped in rustic barn siding with a cozy gas stove, a spacious kitchen with an island, breakfast bar, and walk-in pantry, plus a formal dining room and living area with a classic wood-burning fireplace. A parlor with a second fireplace adds even more flexibility and charm. Upstairs, the home features three comfortable bedrooms with original hardwood floors, a full bath, a large walk-in closet, and even a convenient second-floor laundry. The lower level includes a finished basement with a gas fireplace, bar area, and plenty of room for games, entertaining, or simply relaxing. Step outside and take in the beauty that surrounds you, from the peaceful covered porches to the private in-ground pool with a heater, deck, and waterfall feature. The property includes everything you could ask for in a true working farm: a heated three-bay garage, a historic bank barn with stone foundation and cattle setup, a hog house, chicken coop, summer house, and more. The land itself is a showstopper: mostly fenced pasture and hayground, divided paddocks, spring water, and a 1.5-acre pond reflecting the open skies. The upper acreage offers sweeping panoramic views and the potential for a future home site. And with free natural gas, mineral rights transferring to the new owner, and an absolute auction where it sells to the highest bidder, this is an opportunity you won't want to miss. Whether you're looking for a working cattle farm, a peaceful country estate, or your own private retreat, this Ohio property has it all: space, comfort, and breathtaking views. Experience the serenity of country living, the legacy of a historic farmhouse, and the beauty of nature, all waiting for its next chapter here on Fry's Valley Road.